The synergy of optimal health, anti-aging, longevity, and performance in middle age. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. What if you could sustain youth, maintain peak performance, and reduce biological aging? For decades, I took my health for granted. In my 20s and 30s, I could eat whatever I wanted, barely drink water, and my body would still perform optimally, thanks to youthful hormone levels and strong genetics. 2 hours of weightlifting was normal with no hangover. Then came my 40s and everything changed. I hit the midlife decline, where energy levels, brain clarity, gut health, and motivation took a hit. 2 hours of weightlifting put me on the couch for 2 weeks. I knew I had to make changes. Through self-experimentation, years of research, and learning from experts like Dr. Kruse and Gary Brecka, I rebuilt my health from the ground up. Now I've optimized every aspect of my daily routine, supplementation, and lifestyle to slow aging, sustain energy, and boost performance. What you'll learn in this video: my complete supplement stack for longevity, how these nutrients synergize for peak health, the lifestyle habits that make them truly effective. This is not about quick fixes. It's a strategic, science-backed approach to optimal aging, recovery, and metabolic balance. Life is worth every breath when health is at its peak. Every challenge feels conquerable, and every moment holds potential. But when the body is not optimal, even the simplest tasks become overwhelming, and a cycle of decline begins. This negative feedback loop can erode motivation, energy, and resilience, making the aging process feel like a slow surrender. However, by understanding how to mitigate and even reverse this decline, we can enter a powerful second or third phase of life, one where longevity and vitality are still within reach. The key is knowledge. Those who seek and apply it do not suffer the same fate as those who remain unaware. The path to a longer, healthier life is filled with obstacles, but armed with the right tools and understanding, every challenge can be overcome. Supplements and synergy. I carefully selected specific brands based on a combination of quality, purity, pricing, and reviews, ensuring that I get the best value without compromising effectiveness. After extensive research, self-experimentation, and evaluating recommendations, these supplements stood out as the most bioavailable, well-formulated, and clean options, free from unnecessary fillers, additives, or low-quality ingredients. Each product aligns with my long-term health optimization strategy, balancing cost and potency to support longevity, performance, and overall well-being. 1. Multivitamin. Mary Ruth's Liquid Morning Multivitamin, a full-spectrum foundation of bioavailable vitamins for baseline health. Key benefits: boosts immune function, energy and metabolism, supports skin, hair, and nail health. Synergy. Best absorbed with healthy fats and morning hydration. Filtered water plus electrolytes. P5P, pyridoxal 5-phosphate, Nutricost. The active form of vitamin B6, crucial for homocysteine metabolism and neurotransmitter balance. Key benefits: enhances mood and cognitive clarity, supports detoxification and methylation pathways, regulates blood pressure and circulation. Synergy works with B-complex, TMG, and 5-MTHF for proper detox and cardiovascular health. B-complex plus, pure encapsulations, methylated B vitamins support energy metabolism, detoxification, and nervous system health. Key benefits: enhances methylation, homocysteine reduction and detox support, aids in cognitive function and brain clarity, supports adrenal health and hormone balance. Synergy works with TMG, P5P, and 5-MTHF for full methylation and longevity. 4. 5-MTHF, methylated folate. Intelligent Labs, the active form of folate, bypassing genetic limitations for optimal detox and DNA repair. Key benefits: essential for cellular regeneration and cardiovascular health. Helps detox homocysteine, preventing arterial plaque buildup. Improves mood, focus, and energy. Synergy works with P5P, B-complex, and TMG for cardiovascular and brain function. TMG, trimethylglycine. Nutricost, a powerhouse for methylation, ensuring efficient detox and cardiovascular health. Key benefits: lowers homocysteine for heart health, enhances liver detox and fat metabolism, supports brain neurotransmitter balance. Synergy works with 5-MTHF, P5P, and B-complex for complete methylation support. 6. Magnesium breakthrough, BiOptimizers. Magnesium regulates over 300 enzymatic functions, supporting muscle recovery, sleep, and hydration. Key benefits: balances blood pressure and prevents muscle cramps. enhances deep sleep and relaxation, boosts hydration and recovery. Synergy pairs perfectly with Ultima Electrolytes and vitamin D3 for optimal hydration. 7. Ultima Electrolytes hydration is the foundation of cellular health and longevity. Key benefits: prevents dehydration and fatigue, regulates heart rhythm and circulation, enhances performance and cognitive functioning. Synergy works with magnesium, B complex, and 2 to 3 L of filtered water per day. Omega-3s, Youngevity Ultimate EFA. Omega-3s protect the brain, heart, and joints from inflammation. Key benefits: enhances memory, focus, and cognitive sharpness. Supports heart and joint health, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Synergy works with choline, SAMe, and B vitamins for brain support. 9. Choline and inositol, now critical for neurotransmitter production and liver detox. Key benefits: enhances memory and mental clarity, supports detoxification and metabolism, aids in brain and nervous system function. Synergy works with omega-3s and B vitamins for peak cognitive performance. 10. SAMe, nature's trove 400 mg, a powerful compound for mood, joint health, and liver function. Key benefits: boosts dopamine and serotonin for mental well-being, supports liver detoxification, improves joint mobility and resilience. Synergy works with omega-3s, choline, and methylated B vitamins. 11. Multi-collagen protein, ancient nutrition. Collagen is essential for skin, joint, and gut integrity. Key benefits: strengthens skin elasticity and hydration, supports tendon and ligament recovery, improves gut lining and digestion. Synergy works with vitamin C and omega-3s for better collagen synthesis, lifestyle and recovery strategies for longevity. Achieving optimal health and longevity requires more than just supplements. It involves strategic lifestyle choices that support detoxification, circadian rhythm regulation, cardiovascular health, and cellular function. Here is a structured and optimized version of your holistic health strategy. 1. Hydration and electrolytes for optimal health. Proper hydration is fundamental for cellular function, energy production, and metabolic health. 2-3 L of filtered water daily using the zero water filter to remove contaminants and ensure clean hydration. Electrolytes: magnesium, sodium, potassium, from Ultima Electrolytes and magnesium. Breakthrough to maintain cellular function and prevent dehydration. 2. Clean eating for cellular health. Eliminating harmful additives and prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods optimizes gut health, brain function, and metabolic performance. Using the Yuka app to identify foods without added chemicals that negatively affect biological systems. Prioritizing whole foods, no additives, salmon, chicken, lean, grass-fed beef. Healthy fats, grass-fed butter, organic milk, omega-3s. Smart carbohydrate choices, artisanal Sara Lee bread, no added chemicals, organic yogurt, natural sweeteners, Truvia, as a sugar substitute instead of processed sugar. 3. Morning sunlight, regulating melatonin and circadian rhythm. Morning sunlight, 7 to 10 a.m., direct exposure, as much skin as possible, including eye exposure without sunglasses, is critical for hormone regulation, sleep quality, and cellular energy. Why direct sunlight is essential: melatonin production and circadian rhythm regulation. Morning light suppresses melatonin and boosts cortisol for energy and alertness. 12-14 hours later, melatonin is released, supporting deep sleep and cellular repair. Dopamine, serotonin, and mood regulation increases serotonin, which converts to melatonin for restful sleep. Boosts endorphins for mood enhancement and dopamine regulation for focus. Skin and eye exposure. The full-spectrum light effect, UVB rays, stimulate vitamin D production, improving immune function and hormone balance. Natural light exposure, without sunglasses, regulates cortisol, melatonin, and metabolism. Timing. Why 7-10 a.m. matters. 1. Morning sun is circadian rhythm alignment. 2. Afternoon sun equals vitamin D production, but potential DNA damage. Optimal sunlight routine for health and longevity. 15 to 30 minutes of morning sun, 7 to 10 a.m. Direct exposure, as much skin as possible. Pair with grounding, barefoot on natural earth. Reduces inflammation and cortisol. Afternoon sun, 10 to 3 p.m. for vitamin D, but with skin protection as needed. Morning sunlight is one of the most powerful free biohacks for longevity, regulating melatonin, boosting mood, aligning circadian rhythm, and optimizing hormones. 4. Exercise and cardiovascular health. 30 minutes of cardio, 3 to 5x per week, to improve circulation, endurance, and mitochondrial function. Sauna, 150 degree, 30 min on, 4 hours per week. Cardiovascular and longevity benefits. Regular sauna use has been scientifically proven to reduce all-cause mortality and improve cardiovascular function. Scientific evidence, sauna and longevity. A Finnish study followed 2,315 middle-aged men over 20 years and found that those who used the sauna 4-7x per week had a 40% lower risk of all-cause mortality compared to those who used it once per week. Participants in the study typically engaged in sauna sessions at 175 degrees, 80 degrees, for an average of 14 minutes. Lower temperatures, like 150 degrees, can be offset with longer durations, such as 30 minutes. Mechanisms behind the benefits: cardiovascular health, increases vasodilation, boosts circulation, and strengthens the heart. Stress reduction, lowers cortisol, reduces stress, and improves mental well-being. Detoxification, sweating eliminates toxins, supporting liver and kidney function. 6. Red light therapy, 20-minute, daily for skin and recovery supports. Collagen production and skin health, reduces inflammation and enhances mitochondrial function. Boosts muscle recovery and cellular repair. Detox, baths for deep cleansing. Baking soda, Indian healing clay, borax, Epsom salt, and Castile soap. Removes toxins, replenishes minerals, and supports recovery. Final thoughts and call to action. Longevity isn't about luck. It's about strategic choices that optimize energy, detoxification, cellular repair, and cardiovascular health. Hydration, clean eating, sunlight exposure, sauna use, red light therapy, and detox baths all work synergistically to extend health span and sustain performance at any age. Prioritize these daily habits, and you'll experience profound improvements in sleep, energy, focus, and overall well-being. If you enjoyed learning about the synergy of optimal health and performance, then check out our other videos on personal enlightenment. This holistic strategy isn't just about slowing aging. It's about optimizing your body, mind, and energy levels for life.